Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to connect with the Android Auto or Apple Play with the car who has the CarbitLink, which has no Apple Play and no Android Auto. So what I have done is that I bought this device online. I will share the link with you about the device information. It's an external device, so we can connect with our USB. And here, if you see, this is the USB port, so you can connect with it, and you should have the CarbitLink already installed, which comes by default with the factory installations. So let's go and connect the device. So the device is connected. If you see, this is the device that is already connected. Now it is waiting for the connection. So what we have to do is we need to open this CarbitLink software. If you see, this is the CarPlay Auto 479C. It's same in the screen showing. So I will connect with this. Now it is connected. So it does show the full map as well, and you can see this is the full Apple Play now, and here comes the map again, and you can use it as it is without, and if you want to go back, you can go back to the car menu, and then it will show you the main screen of the car. So this is how you connect with the normal Apple Play. Now let's go to the Android phone. We will connect with the Android, and let me disconnect first the iPhone. So if you see, this CarPlay Auto is available on the Android device, and here it is done. Pairing, card pair. So this, you can see that there is a Google Map available, and you can go into the settings. You can see all the settings for the Android, and if we go in this, so we can see that there is a widget, and similarly the Sky News. Suppose you want to play.
Sky News Centre at 9. The business secretaries claimed the appointment of Lord Mandelson as ambassador to the US.
So it can play whatever you need, and similarly you can use the mic. So all these things you can use in the Android Auto. So thank you guys, and let me know if you have any more information required. But it's really a nice device that you can connect with your CarbitLink car USB port, and after that it will convert to your the whatever the choice of yours, like car Apple Play or Android Auto. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon.